Look at how cool. Oh my god, this is amazing. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the spooky Slimeatory. Anyways, guys, so it is now Halloween. It's basically Halloween, right? Because it's October like 3rd, 4th. It is October 5th, and it is now like Halloween. And so we got to decorate the Slimeatory. We got a witch ghost thing right here. We got pumpkins, spider webs. We got everything. And we're also gonna be doing one Halloween themed video a week. On the last week of October, like the week of Halloween, we're gonna be doing every day of Halloween videos. So make sure you guys comment down below what you guys want us to do. If it's like mixing bugs with slime, please don't comment that. I don't want to do that. Unless it's toy bugs. But you guys just comment down below your ideas for Halloween themed things. And yeah, but today we are going to be doing Recreating My Background Slimes Halloween edition. Alright, and today's liquid challenge to be, you guys have to comment down below, what is your favorite thing about Halloween? My favorite thing is candy corn. I love candy corn. I try not to eat it too much, but like, I love it. And press the like button. And let's get straight on into the video. First we're gonna do, guys, is this one. We should probably redo this one because that is old. It was an iceberg. I meant avalanche, but it completely went wrong, and let's just ignore it. Okay, so first we're gonna do is this one. It was like a strawberry cheesecake one, and I actually really liked it, but it completely melted, so let's redo it. Alrighty, so first we gotta go ahead and reactivate this to get it out of the jar. Ah, it smells fantastic. Alright, so let's drop that in there. Let's activate. I don't think it needs too much.
Smells really good, Ameerah.
Smells fantastic. Alrighty, here's the slime. It was nice while it lasted. It's really nice. It was like super glossy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go with Paul's idea for the next slime. I'm gonna make it an orange clear slime.
Yay!
With a bunch of these because these are really cool. Alrighty, guys, so I was gonna make this slime, but Paul had a magnificent idea of using our pre-made clear slime. So here it is. I like to smack the clear slimes. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put some orange food coloring. Well, we're gonna make it orange actually. So we're gonna put some yellow. This slime is a bit activated because we just like kind of put a little bit more activator so it wouldn't melt. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna put these little foam balls that have glitter on them and then oh no!
Ooh, ooh.
Oh! That's too much. Oh, they stick very nicely. Look at that. I was scared that wasn't gonna stick nicely. Ooh, that looks really good. That sticks in. I thought it was gonna, cause like the slime is a bit like overactivated right now. So I thought it was gonna have a hard time mixing, but it actually stuck in very well. It's like they almost made it for slime. And here it is. Here's our first slime. I think it looks fantastic. I really like this slime. Liked how it turned out. So yeah. Alrighty, there it is, guys. Ta-da! Ooh, that just is cool. Okay, what else should we do? I think we should do this one that's hideous. It is actually moldy. Oh my god. Ooh. Doesn't really smell that bad, but oh my god, what happened to it? It's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. So beautiful. Then it turns to that. So we're gonna go ahead and just not use that container. Alrighty, so for this one, we'll do another clear slime because I like the clear slime. And I feel like we should put an eyeball. I think we should put like green. So I'm gonna put some yellow. A light green, so I'm gonna try to put a little bit. And I'm going to put a little bit of green. Oh no, that's a lot. Alright, now I'm gonna put one eyeball because I think if I put two, it will be like too much. Ooh, that looks so cool. But I didn't realize that wouldn't be enough. I thought I was gonna take more space. Uh-oh, what do I do?
Oh, I know. You should make another layer of different color slime.
That's exactly what I was thinking, Paul. Exactly, thank you. Okay, and let's make this one yellow. Guys, so the eyeball floated to the top while I was making this, which actually looks beautiful, by the way. Anyways, and I just think it looks so cool, like it's an eyeball. Okay, now we're gonna put the yellow top. Looks so cool. Ta-da! Look at how cool! Oh my god, this is amazing. I think we should mix it. Looks cool anyways. I think it's mixed. I'm gonna put it back. Alright. Yeah, I like that better. Oh, this is so cool. I really like this one. I cannot decide which one is my favorite now. Alrighty. Let's put that over here. And let's put this like right here. If we look back at this one though, guys, look, the foam beads went to the top. I cannot wait till these all clear up. Okay guys, so here's how it looks so far. Which one should we do next? I have no idea. I guess
the big one.
The big one? I think we should do it at the end because it's big. I think we should do this one. This one is a cotton candy butter slime. It was pink and blue, but it kind of just mixed. And now it's kind of like always two different colors. In the inside it's purple and then the outside is blue. And I think it has to do with like the dyes and stuff. It's like blue is like thick or something. So first I gotta clean this out. You guys need a bit of activator, but look at it. And it smells so good, guys. It smells like cotton candy. Alright guys, so I decided to make a bucket of white slime so that we can use it for the other slimes. So yeah, let's do this. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put a mixture of regular school glue, a mixture of that, and a mixture of glue-all because I did it one time and it made some really nice slime, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try it again. So this is glue-all, put some of that, and I'm gonna add a little bit of lotion, just a little bit to kind of make it a bit glossy, and some hair gel to make it glossy. I'm just gonna try out a little new recipe, so yeah. And let's make this. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and activate it.
10 seconds later.
Alrighty guys, I am all done making it. I think my activator was a bit weak, so it kind of made it jiggly, but I still like it. I don't judge, it's fine. But it actually turned out really nice, I like it. Alrighty, for this one, I decided I'm gonna make a cloud cream. Okay, so let's see, I think this should be enough for the container. Alrighty, for this one, I'm just gonna make it plain out and simple. I'm gonna make it yellow, and I'm gonna put those foam beads in it. Oh my god. Okay, I don't think this is bright enough at all, so I have to get the big guns. Whoopsies, I fell. There we go. That's good. I feel like it needs a bit more food coloring, so I'm just gonna put like 2 more drops of that. Alright, let's add that foam bead. Love these foam beads. Can't see them very much, but they look good still. Alright, so do I need to put more or is this good? Okay, I think I'm gonna put a little bit more. Alrighty, well that is that one. It doesn't look as good as the other one since it is not clear, but it looks good. I like it. Ta-da! That one's not the best, but it's good still. Alright, next one is this one. And I think I'm gonna change this one to a cloud cream. It's a cloud cream, but I'm gonna keep it as a cloud cream, just change it. Okay, so we're gonna change this one. We're gonna make it simple. We're just gonna change it to purple. So we're gonna get some purple food coloring, or just red actually. We're gonna make it, or I'm actually gonna put some pink food coloring because I feel like it'll make it a better purple, better shade of purple. Is it just me, or is mixing food coloring with cloud cream like the most satisfying thing ever? I love this color, guys. It's like lavender, but I want it to be a bit darker. Ooh, it looks so cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna put some more though. Guys, it's just me. This looks kind of like a face. Guys, we should do like a whole video mixing stuff with cloud cream, like random stuff. That would be cool. Okay, I think this color is good. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and put some sparkles in it though. Putting even more pink, guys, because I want to make it a bit brighter.
Like that one?
Yep, just like that one. Okay, that's good. All right, now I want to add some glitter because I feel like it'll look really cool with glitter. So we're gonna put this purple glitter. Put some black. Oh, that was a lot. That's too much. It's gonna make it really dark. Oh no, I did not realize how much I put. All right, now some of this pink glitter. And voila! That looks pretty. Sorry guys, I was trying to show you the glitter, but it kind of got covered. Ooh, that looks pretty. Do you like it? I like it, but I feel like there's too much black glitter still. It kind of just looks like pepper. Trying to show the glitter. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful. Imagine a slime with that much glitter. It always looks like that. Like, the fluff always looks like that. I don't know if that would be possible. We should try that though. Okay, well, that is it, guys. Look at that. This one's nice, plain and simple. I really like it. It's like midnight fluff, you know? I don't know if you guys can see the glitter, but it is gorgeous, the glitter. So, yeah. I really like how this one turned out. Oh, well, that was supposed to just get right in there, but it didn't. Go ahead and put that right there, and voila! So beautiful. Next we're gonna do, guys, is this pink one. We're gonna have to activate it again, so.
Oh, I got you.
Hey! Mix, mix. This is a very nice glossy slime, guys. What did I do to this? Can anybody go back to the video where I made this and like tell me what I did? Because I do not remember, because it is so glossy. Alright guys, here it is, all nice and activated. We gotta go ship that off to someplace, just my cabinet. So guys, for this one, I want to make it a cloud cream, and I'm just gonna leave it white, and you guys will see in a little bit. Can you guys guess what I'm gonna make though? Because I don't know, I just want to play a game with you guys. So can you guys guess what I am going to make? I'm gonna keep it white, and I'm gonna make it a cloud cream. So you guys start thinking. Let's go ahead and get our cloud cream, or instant snow actually, I mean. I wonder what texture this is gonna give, because I don't think I've ever made a cloud cream with this like base before. Ooh, it looks cool like this, guys. It kind of looks like snow. Alright guys, here it is. I really like it. It's very nice and fluffy, but I feel like it should be like a little bit like easier to, you know, fluff, because it kind of like it's very thick. You know, no, I think it's good like this. Alright, can you guys guess what I'm putting in here now? Can you guess? Okay, make sure. Okay, I'm gonna put it right now. 3, 2, 1. I actually made like one of this like a while ago, and I really liked it because it looks so cool. Like, look, it's a spider web with spiders in them. And I just found these spiders, and I thought they were the best thing ever because they're only like 98 cents, and you know Ameerah with her 98 cents, you know, $1. And I thought it'd be just so cool to make like a spider web slime. So
well, you were right. It is so cool.
It is.
It is amazing.
Amazing. Look at that. Look at how cool it is. I don't know. I just really like it because like there's spiders inside, and it looks like a web, literally. Like here, let me try right here. Gosh, look at that, spiders. And I think it looks just really cool. So you guys comment down below if you knew what I was gonna put in there, or if you thought something extremely random. Make sure to comment, and yeah. So yeah, let's put this in here. I hope that you can see the spiders. I'm pretty sure you will be able to, because it's like white slime. Ta-da! Oh, that looks so cool, I love it. All right, okay, I'm gonna do this one now, the big one, the big boy. Alrighty, so let's just go ahead and pour this in here. It's all mixed now. By the time it cleared up, guys, it was already completely mixed, so I never got to freaking do an update, but here it is. Here's the update, guys. You're welcome. So satisfying, am I right? Alright, guys, I am finally done with this. It took forever to get everything out and clean out, but I finally got it, and here it is. Here's the Avalanche slime. It's a little mixed, guys, but here's the Avalanche. Alrighty, so I wonder how that will turn out. Maybe we should just turn into like a cloud cream or like a butter slime. Ooh, butter slime. Alright guys, let's get started. I'm making the giant slime. Alright guys, so for this one, I think it would be super cool to have like a jar of eyeballs. You know, like, I don't know if you guys seen it or not, but like in movies or like in stuff, they have like jars of eyeballs or something. I thought it'd be cool to have a giant jar of eyeballs, so we're gonna try and do that. It's gonna be similar to like the small one we made, except this one's gonna be big, and I'm gonna make it jiggly. Put our water. Alrighty, and let's make it, we'll make it green. Here we go, there's some yellow food coloring, and then I'm gonna put a drop of green to kind of make it a bit green. Alright, let's go ahead and mix that up. Yes, okay, that is perfect. Okay, now, is this enough for this? This is so annoying to do. I think it should be enough. Alright, let's go ahead and start activating it. It's gonna look like one of those water slimes, especially with the eyeballs.
A few moments later.
Alrighty guys, so here is how it turned out. Ta-da! I like it a lot. I wanted to make it jiggly, kind of like, because I wanted the slime to be like juicy. Alright, now let's go ahead and add our eyeballs. There we go. Oh, those look cool. Oh my god, guys, it's looking so cool already. Should we add more eyeballs? Okay guys, that is the coolest thing ever. Look at it. I love these eyeballs. Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and put it in our bin and hope that it fills it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do I do? Alright, we're gonna put more eyeballs. More eyeballs. Ooh, that looks cooler. Okay, well, I really like my slime. I'm gonna do some ASMR. I forgot about that. Look how cool it is. It's got a bunch of eyeballs. Okay, I think this is gonna be my favorite. It's a jar of freaking eyeballs, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, guys, look at. Watch this. Alrighty, let's go ahead and see if it fits now. There we go. Yay, we did it. You know, I'm actually very happy that I put more eyeballs because I think it looks so cool. Okay, I cannot wait till this clears up, guys, and we're just gonna have it right here. It's gonna look so freaking cool. You know what's funny, guys, is that these little jars right here actually look like it's meant for eyeballs. I anyways, here's all the slimes. This is the slime makeover. I think they look amazing and awesome. You guys comment down below which one is your favorite one. This one is probably my favorite one because it's just so amazing. Look at it. It's a jar of eyeballs. Alright guys, so that's it. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want to do anything else or if you have any ideas for me. If you guys want me to change something or something like that. I don't know. But that's it. I love you so much and I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.